I'm falling deeper where no one dares to breathe. Can you hear me? Still sinking underneath. Yeah, I'm down where the sun don't touch. Nothing but the weight and the pain I clutch. Got a war in my chest I don't ever discuss. So I bleed through bars and I hide in the hush. Can't feel love when you're born in the static. Heartbeats glitching, trauma automatic. Every word's like a scar I tatted. You don't know deep till your soul turns savage. It's cold in the dark, but I still reach. If love is a spark, then burn through me. I'm deep in the fire and the flood, I can't breathe. Pull me up from the wreckage beneath. If you don't love me now, I won't leave. I'm deep, say it louder. Can't fake it, can't sleep. I ain't fragile, I'm fractured. Built on ashes, dreams I captured. Tore my heart out just to feel alive. Now I'm stitched with rage and I sharpen the knife. Yeah, I've been prey, I've been poison. Now I'm both flame and the frozen. Don't pity me, resurrect me, or get burned when you try to dissect me. I ain't begging for mercy, I'm breaking the chains. Built an empire from all of the pain. Got love and show it, got truth and throw it. Cause I'm drowning in the silence like I overdosed heroic. I'm deep, buried in the beat and the grief. Pull me up, don't you lie or retreat. You say love, then let me believe. I'm deep, but I still wanna feel something sweet. We all fall. Some fall louder, some fall longer, but some climb out from the deep.